Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare Poori. Ingredients for Poori: 500 grams of wheat flour, that is atta, and required salt. Add the wheat flour to the mixing bowl. Add required salt. So we are preparing the dough. So normal water will do, no need of any hot water. So we have to prepare the dough little bit hot than chapati dough. So it will not consume much oil. So for chapati we will prepare the dough and we will leave for some time to ferment, but for Poori it's not required. As soon as you preparing the dough, you can start preparing the Poori also. So we have to prepare the dough little bit hot. See, it is hot. It is not loose as chapati dough. Prepare equal size of balls and keep thing ready. Have to roll like this. So you have to divide the dough into equal portions. So we prepared the dough into equal size of balls. For 500 grams of wheat flour, we got around 12 numbers. We're going to roll the wheat flour balls into round shape. So you have to roll to thick size. Don't roll as you are rolling for chapati. This is the tip to make Poori. If you want fluffy Poori, you have to roll that one to thick, little bit thick. So we are rolling the second one. See, this should be this much thickness. Thickness should be this much. That's why I showed you. If you are rolling that one thickness like that, it will not consume lots of oil and the Poori will be fluffy. So we have rolled to round shape, flat round shape. It's ready to deep fry. Keep the pan in flame. Add cooking oil for deep fry. So you got the fluffy Poori. If you are preparing the dough as I showed and the oil should be hot, then you will get the fluffy Poori like this. Got second Fluffy Poori. So oil is very hot. So if you are doing in the same manner, you will get the Fluffy Poori. Wow! Definitely children will like this. Wonderful. Fluffy Poori from Veggie Research Blogspot. Just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.